Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to flag your availability in Indeed. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type Indeed.com and hit on enter right now. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. Once you've logged in, something like this will open up. From here, we simply need to go to the profile-like icon that we'll find on the top right. It's right next to the notification bell. Let's click on it, and then something like this will open up. Let's simply go to profile. Once you're in the profile, here you can see my information, my resume and everything. In case you don't know how to upload your resume, we have created a video regarding that as well. Let's simply scroll down till we see something like ready to work. Click on this button right here, and something like this will open up. Simply toggle on this button that says I'm available to start immediately and click on save. Well guys, that's it. That's how we flag your availability in Indeed. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Thank you.